You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? An interesting word with a confusing spelling and a bit of a confusing pronunciation if you refer to how it's spelled, F-E-I-S-T-Y. But the pronunciation both in British English and American English are as feisty. Yes, it looks like it maybe said feisty or fisty. No, feisty, feisty. How to pronounce feisty? A lively, determined and courageous person. Feisty. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.